drilling operations and machining at the kitchen on 20 February 2022. We're gonna just got done doing the hexagon shape here with some milling operation. Went fairly good. Turned out the basic rough shape that I wanted, so it's alright, but learned a lot about my setup and what I'm going to have to do to improve my setups. But we're going to drill this baby out and see what we can do with it as a replica hand gone. So here we go. Plasticity, it's sticky as heck. It likes to come out of there in pieces. With a regular drill, you've got to do a chip breaker move every so often just to keep the chips down small. And that heck drilling actually heats up your drill a lot more than it would be if you didn't. Once you're in a encased setting for like CNC or some larger shops, those chips are contained, so whether it's continuous or not doesn't really matter. So you can make them. They'll damn sure take more feed than what than just my pitiful chip containment evacuation system that I've got going on here. But you get the basic idea of the drilling operations here at Peace of Mind Tools and Machining in the Kitchen with Charlie Two Dogs. See you next time.